10 tips to get rich easily. Simplify your finances. Eliminate credit cards that lead to consumer debt, review, and potentially cancel unnecessary insurance policies. And consider switching to monthly payments to avoid late fees. Analyze your monthly transactions. Regularly review your expenses to identify unnecessary or reducible costs. Utilize financial apps to help track your spending. Create a monthly budget. Categorize your expenses into fixed, variable, and savings categories. Determine a monthly savings rate that you can comfortably commit to and stick to it for the long term. Leverage debt wisely. While avoiding consumer debt, recognize that some types of debt, like investing in education or real estate, can be advantageous and help discipline your finances. Structure your savings. Divide your savings into short-term, liquid, medium-term, for planned expenses in the next 2 to 5 years, and long-term, for investments. Categories. Invest the long-term portion in assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate. Embrace financial innovations. Be aware of the interests of financial intermediaries like banks and seek ways to reduce fees by using online banking and low-cost investment options like ETFs. Manage taxes. Understand tax advantages related to investments, such as deductions for real estate expenses or tax, advantaged accounts like retirement plans. Invest in yourself. Recognize the value of investing in your own education, skills, and personal development as a form of wealth building. Continuously improve your knowledge and capabilities. Enjoy life along the way. While saving and investing are important, don't forget to set aside funds for enjoying life. Create a separate fun account for spending on things that bring you joy. Give back. Once you've achieved financial stability, consider contributing to charitable organizations or causes that matter to you, as it can enhance your personal well-being.